All right, that's from my West Coast progression kit, the Dr. Dre kit. I like to use the synths inside of the MPC software, both this standalone and software. I use it to increase the sound stage of individual sounds or make sounds sound a little more glued together. So for example, I'm gonna play a beat here, right? Okay, so I'm going to adjust both this voice and this bass. I'm going to use Syn 1 and Syn 2, and I want you to notice how it fills up the space or make everything sound a little bit more glued together, makes things sound wider, fills up the sound stage. All right, so check it out. Now the bass. Do this in the software, or you can also use this in standalone. So you just press channel mixer, you press the synths, and you have access to all 4 synths, and you just, you know, click on whatever sound you want and you just adjust the knob. You know what I mean? That'll give you the synth tip that I use all the time. Y'all guys will find a lot of usefulness if you use this also. All right, this is Masada. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Head to thecyclekit.com. Respect.